Starting from textiles, and with 70 years of continuous investment and expansion, the Far Eastern Group has achieved vertical and horizontal integration. Our Tier 4 and Tier 3 upgrades will propel it to become the third largest globally and the largest in Asia for PET manufacturing. Fiber Business Unit has established a leading position globally, with continuous innovation and development in both staple fiber and filament specifications. Tier 2 with fully automated manufacturing solutions maximizes efficiency and energy savings, with 24-hour system monitoring directly networked. Setting processes results in a 20% energy saving and a 60% reduction in manpower. Tier 1 machine automation enables one person to manage multiple machines, reducing manpower while ensuring quality. On-site layout adjustments separate personnel and AGV, leading to equipment and related support reductions. RFID process system for real-time data updates throughout the entire process. The IDM team has innovative thinking from Tier 4 to Tier 2, superior technology, and excellent ahead products. The Collab Design team leads the industry from Tier 3 to Tier 1 and maximizes the vertical synergy value. Where innovation knows no limits, we can go far and fast.